Hi guys, Tosin here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own immune booster tea. Here are easy and simple ways on how you can create your own tea and also make it as sweet as you want. I mean, you can add anything that you want, any sweetener that you want, basically. Fruits, herbs, spices, name it. This will make you feel good in the season. Yes, so guys, join me. Okay, so I have some of my ingredients here. I have ginger, lime, osonwewe, popularly known as osonwewe in Yoruba. So this is black pepper. I'll be using some black pepper. I'll be using some cinnamon, then tea. So I have this tea here by Sari. It's a Nigerian-made product. So I'll be using this tea. I'll be using date syrup. So you can use any sweetener that you want, any that you choose to. I also have oranges here. I have oranges. I have cayenne pepper. So cayenne pepper here. Then I have cloves for the tea, turmeric powder here, and apple vinegar cider. Yes, and also my boiling water. You'll need a boiling water. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my grated ginger inside, and just a small piece, just to give it a little bit of flavor, and sweetener, which is the date syrup that I have here. Just give it a little bit of taste and stir. So here is one simple way to make your tea. Some of the benefits of lemon ginger tea are: number one, it will improve your skin. 2, it will help you with digestion. Number 3, it will also freshen your breath. And number 4, it will boost your immunity. So this is one of the immune booster tea that I would recommend. You can add any sweetener of your choice and you enjoy. Okay, so this second recipe is actually one of my favorites. So this one would be the turmeric tea, and here I'll be using my turmeric powder. I'm gonna add a few, just maybe 1 spoon of this in the cup, and then add some cloves inside. Leave some spoons inside, and then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper inside. So add some cayenne pepper, just a little bit of spicy taste. So you can choose between black pepper or cayenne pepper. So, but I used the cayenne pepper. Then add some ginger. Add some ginger to this. And what next? Hot water. So let's add some hot water. Okay, so hot water inside already, then we stir. Okay, so I have everything inside the cup, so now I'm going to sieve the liquid. All right, so I have everything inside, and one thing left is the sweetener. So I'm gonna add my sweetener to it, which is the date syrup. And this time around, you can also choose any sweetener that you want. And then I'll stir. So the turmeric tea is ready. Turmeric tea is safe for people to drink. It also relieves pain and inflammation without side effects. So you can have this maybe once a week. Recipe, I'll be using a slice of orange. I'll put it in my cup, and then I'm gonna add apple vinegar cider, just a little, and pour in my cup. Then cinnamon powder. Just gonna add a spoon of cinnamon powder inside. Some ginger. Add ginger inside, and then boiling water, hot water. Right. So now that I have everything inside, I'm just going to stir. So for this recipe, you can add any sweetener you choose to. Could be honey, it could be brown sugar, maple syrup, date syrup, it could be anything. Just add what suits you. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you've learned 1 or 2 ways on how you can make your own tea. And if this video was really helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Until next time guys, stay healthy and bye. It's really hot. Oh, sugar. Yeah. That's it. The ginger. Oh my god, I love ginger. Yeah, it's really good and it's refreshing. This is turmeric tea though. Try it out. This is the tea. Try it out.